How we doing, guys? Welcome to Pop Along RC, and today we're trying to see how much faster a Arrma Senton is than Usain Bolt. So how quickly can we get an Arrma Senton running 100 metres? That's it. Let's go find out.
Now we don't have an Arrma Senton.
Well, we don't.
But we know someone who has.
Yeah, we do.
Hey,
These two.
how you doing? Well, we're going to give this under 5.2 seconds.
5 points.
5.2,
right.
We've had it so far.
Okay.
5.2 is the fastest.
Okay.
Let's see how we get on then.
Right. Okay.
Five
5.3.
Not
5.3.
bad, not bad.
Not bad.
Battery's on its way out, so that's
Battery's on its 5.3 seconds. Well, there you have it. Faster than Usain Bolt. You can buy it in any good hobby store, and it's the Arrma Senton.
So
Right.
your dad reckons he can beat you then? But he's not very good at driving, is he?
Yeah, I just like crash and put it in the bush.
Oh,
Don't
yeah,
put it
go
in
on
the
then.
bush.
Don't put it in
Put
the
it in the
bush.
bush. Watch me put it in the bush again.
Okay.
I'm going to break it.
You won't.
Let me
it's
get
fine.
the camera on then. Here we go.
Where the hell are you going? 4 minutes. What the?
Yeah, put it on the track.
Alright, here we go. Can Dad win?
Little somersault. No one's timing it though.
You put your finger on it like that, and you just put your foot on it, and it just goes mental.
Whoa. Goal. Ah! I got that. Yeah, straight in the goal. Goal, hole in one.
So there you have it. Charlie is a better driver than his old man. Anyway, see you next time.